Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you about GIT and GIT bash. Actually one of the user has asked how to install the GIT bash. So otherwise it is a very simple topic, but I have created the video for this one. I am going to create the video. So first of all, what we have to go, we have to go to this one URL we have to follow. So Git SCM means source code management, and once we go there, so first of all we go here. If you look here, the URL I have reached here. So everything is provided at this website. This is the official website of the Git, and you can download the Git directly from here. You can click it, even you can click from here. So it is not a big issue, big deal. Simply you have to reach here and download. And if you want to learn, just click it. You reach to the documentation, the same. And in the documentation, if you see, the videos are available, the books are available, and even the reference manual means the comprehensive documentation is available at this page. You can go here, and the basic means the videos you can get from here. How to learn the Git. Basically Git is source code management. Already I hope everyone knows about the source code management. Version management it is also said, because different version of for the same software you are going to upgrade the code or change the code, so your version will change. So version management tool, it is a version management tool, but not only for that purpose, but also for other purpose we are going to use. So how to do it? Just you go here and click it. For the Windows, because it is automatically recognizing. Basically it was for the Linux, but now also for the Windows and other platform it is available. So if you are using the Windows, so you will go and click it here. So what will happen? You can download. Okay. So it will now the next page is opening for the download. Click here to download the latest 64-bit version for the Windows. So how you will decide whether your Windows is 64-bit or 32-bit? So that is a very simple thing. Simply you have to go to the My Computer. My Computer means once you click My Computer, and here in the properties, if you go here, then you get the idea what it is. So look here, the system information is provided here. The processor is provided, and the 64-bit system type is also provided. So just like that, you have to reach to the My Computer and go to the property, and there you will get all the details about the whether your operating system is 64-bit or 32-bit. So based on that information, you will go and download. Suppose my system is 64-bit already, you see. So I will go and click it here. Okay. And another possibility is there is a stand-alone installer, and another is portable. Portable means in the USB drive you can port it. Means portable means already we know. So a stand-alone means only on this particular desktop where I am downloading and installing, there it will work. So usually we do like this. So I am going to use 64-bit, and I zoom it slightly. So you see 64-bit, I click it here. Otherwise already installed at my system, but again I am downloading. Okay. So as per the network speed, your download will start. Look here, it is the 50 MB file. It will be downloaded, and once download will come, speed is not perhaps so much. So I have already downloaded it here. Now you see. Otherwise, even if I go in the control panel, already it is installed at my system. So I go to the folder where it is downloaded. Now it is complete. So just you have to open it. Just you have to double click it, or in the admin mode, right click, and in the admin mode as per your need, you will just click it, and the exe will open, and just by clicking next, it will get installed. That is not a big deal. but even then I am just telling. So Git for the Windows, you are going to click here yes. Then you will talk about the GNU General Public License. You will just install it, click the install button. So actually there is already my Git version old, so it is first of all removing it and then extracting the file and installing. So setup will take some time, then and thereafter it will get installed. And once Git is installed, Git bash is also installed. Means there are two things. One is the GUI also it is pronounced graphic user interface, and another is command line mode. So in the previous video once I talked about a split command that I use using the Git bash. So you have the facility of using the GUI and command mode. So in many situations you are going to use command mode because that is very effective, means sometimes. So you can launch it here. Look here, it is also coming up with Git bash. And so Git bash if you want to launch, so you can also check mark here and release mode. So your this is the done. So this is the thing the user had asked me. So here I will put the command split and other command, and you want to see help. So here is the help. If you simply type help, then what will happen, all the help is available, and what the version of the Git bash or Git you have installed right now, so that is shown here. You are using 5.2 dot. So major, minor, and these are the different parts of the version, major change, minor change, and other things. Okay, so that was the requirement of one of my user viewer. So I have just created this video for him. Thank you for watching this video.